This is a twist on the old game, Spin the Bottle, using chocolate. So we're going to spin the bottle, and whichever chocolate bar the bottle stops at, they have to do an action or answer the question taped to the chocolate bar to get it.
There we go. Hold on.
Yay.
Reese's what? Nutrajus. I said. Nutrajus. Do the leg of the bird dance. How that go?
Never have that, man.
Chef, how the leg
So
of the
give
bird
the
go?
music for the leg of the bird.
How leg of the bird go? Eh? Not readjust. Yeah, but me I said, oh, I'm not readjust it name. How the leg of the bird go? All right. So, how it go? And them must show me. Sit there like this, yeah? I said go? All right, I do it. You next. I do it. So I must take up this?
You have
All
to
right.
do the dance again.
I do it. Go on, no? Kind of spin that. All right. Kind of spin that.
Tell us a Jamaican proverb related to eating and explain what it means.
I'm glad that you get that. You're the culture queen.
Eating.
When you run your belly, do a, what? Something no go, sir?
What's
What
eating and the
sweet
goat soon running belly?
Right? You know, eating
Yeah.
that? So what that mean?
Yeah, some things. Them say what sweet, you so sour. You. Some activities you engage in that you may find fulfilling may have an end result that's not so
Fulfilling.
great.
There you go. I love it. Snickers. Do the stir fry. Why me getting all like that? Oh, the stir fry. The stir fry. No go. No say it go. Eh?
So give him the stir fry there.
No say it go.
Yes.
Let me not do it already. Go so.
Yeah, but you have to stir. Stir and fry. Stir and fry. Stir and fry. Stir and fry. Stir and fry.
Only know me already, you know. You're a greatest stir fryer in life. Your time again.
Stir fry.
And me you get.
Me get never.
No, go on again, man. Hold on, make I fix it a little better. Go on again.
Listen.
Yes, man. Twix.
Which chocolate treat's tagline says, "The milk chocolate melts in mouth, not in your hand"? Eh?
I don't know that. So why did I get in all the easy one them?
Catch.
One name catch? What's the answer? What's the answer? M&M? I guess you don't get it.
No, that's why I put it back down, because I know I don't have it.
No, but it don't make sense, because if I get it, I don't know the answer, I already know. I'm a good spinner.
Yes.
If you want to give me one more dance, I go home.
Bye.
Name a popular movie about chocolate. Chocolate Factory.
Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. One name the Chocolatier.
They are the worst. I wear spinner. Aye.
Hey. Drink soda for 10 seconds without burping. I don't burp.
Oh, you don't?
I don't burp. 10 seconds, who's gonna count it?
Me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I don't burp.
She says she don't burp. Well, I guess I do have to spin it. I can just take up this one, guys, only one leave. Me just hear that thing, you know.
No, absolutely not.
Tell us 2 ice cream flavors that has chocolate in it. Cookies and cream is one.
May I say something?
Eh?
May I say something? Tingle?
Me not hear you.
Hold on.
No, but cookie, the cookie have chocolate
It
in
don't have
it.
to be so aggressive.
Yeah.
He might try to tell never hot fudge.
Yeah.
See me?
Well, me not even watch him. Cookies and cream is one.
Just say hot fudge.
And hot fudge is two.
Just say hot fudge.
Chocolate
and you see,
chip.
never see you.
Chocolate chip.
My God.
We win.